Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove Yahoo search engine from Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. In my Google Chrome, Yahoo search is the default. If I search anything, the search result come from Yahoo search engine. Now I'm going to remove Yahoo from Google Chrome browser. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Click on settings. In left pane, click on startup. Here, select open a specific page or set of pages. Select it and click on add a new page. Here in site URL, just type www.google.com. Now click on add and Google is added here. Now click on search engine. Here Yahoo is selected. Click on the change icon and select Google and click on set as default and Google is set. Now click on default browser and look, Google Chrome is your default browser here. Now close Google Chrome, open Google Chrome again and look, Google is now the default search engine and Yahoo search is removed from my Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.